We're Immobiliser fitting. This is a 2019 BMW X7 protected with a Starline Immobiliser. So on this system, it does a gearbox lock. So if a thief got the key and went to steal your vehicle, they're going to put it in gear, and when they go to drive away, you can see it go straight back into park. So we'll try neutral, go to drive away, straight back into park. As you see, they're unable to drive it away. For the customer, what they can do is pop in a code, 1, 2, 3 we have for now. We hear that disarm tone, we can put it into gear and drive away. As you see, the vehicle moves, doesn't go into park, and we can drive off. When the customer leaves the vehicle, it's going to take 10 seconds to set. After that, your vehicle is going to be secure and it's going to require that code to drive. So if we start the car up now, try put it in gear and drive away. As you see, it goes straight into park. Unable to drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Starline Immobiliser using gearbox lock to secure this vehicle so the customer can retain remote start if he has it. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.